Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of immersive photography with the MWE 360 photo booth machine. This is touted as one of the best 360 slow-motion photo booths on the market, and we're here to find out why. First off, what sets this apart? Well, imagine capturing your favorite moments not just in stills but in dynamic 360-degree videos and slow-motion sequences. Whether you're a content creator, event organizer, or just love creating memories, this booth promises to elevate your photography game. Let's talk features. Equipped with a powerful ring light offering 3 lighting modes and adjustable brightness levels, the MWE 360 ensures every shot is perfectly lit, whether it's a day event or a night party. The 360-degree spin capability adds a new dimension to your photos and videos, ideal for capturing those epic group shots or solo adventures in style. Controlling the booth is a breeze thanks to its dedicated smartphone app, which allows you to adjust rotation speed, lighting, and even add music to your recordings. Whether you're a TikTok enthusiast or a YouTube content creator, this level of control ensures your content stands out from the crowd. User experience matters, and the MWE 360 doesn't disappoint. It's designed for easy setup and operation, ensuring that even beginners can capture professional quality content. The booth comes in various sizes to accommodate different group sizes, from intimate gatherings to larger events. Now, let's talk durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, this booth is built to last. It's stable, quiet during operation, and includes a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, rest assured it can handle the rigors of frequent use. What are users saying? Well, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. People love the versatility, ease of use, and the stunning results they get with this booth. It's not just a photo booth, it's a tool for creativity and capturing memories that last a lifetime. In conclusion, if you're looking to step up your photography or add a unique element to your events, the MWE 360 photo booth machine is a solid investment. With its innovative features, robust build, and user-friendly design, it's easy to see why it's considered one of the best in its class. That wraps up our review of the MWE 360 photo booth machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on cutting-edge products like this. Until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments.